Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Christina Welsh and I work for the Council for Disabled Children in the Education and Equalities team. The Council for Disabled Children is an umbrella body for the disabled children sector, bringing together professionals, practitioners and policymakers. We develop practice guides and training to support all of those who work with disabled children and young people to better understand them. This training focuses on the 2010 Equality Act and how it applies in the early years. This training is designed to improve your understanding of how settings must meet their legal duties in relation to young disabled children. It's open to everyone who works or cares for young children, anyone who works in a setting, a practitioner or a senior manager, representatives in a local authority, health, education, social care and information services, or even as a parent wanting to learn more about their legal duties. You can benefit from the training. The training is split over 4 units. Unit 1 looks at the definition of disability in the Equality Act, so we can better understand who may count as disabled. We also consider the relationship between special educational needs, disability, and medical needs. Unit 2 delves into the Equality Act some more and what the duties are for setting to support disabled children. We consider some of the key terms such as protected characteristics and prohibited conduct, and how the Equality Act applies differently to settings which are constituted as schools. Unit 3 looks more closely at reasonable adjustments, what they are according to the Equality Act, and why they are so important for disabled children. We look at a case study together and what reasonable adjustments might be put in place. Unit 4 ties the final units together and explores a whole-setting approach to disability and inclusion. We consider some of the national data on young disabled children and think about ways we can improve access and inclusion in our own working contexts. How should you engage with the training? This training is designed to be interactive, and we would encourage you to watch it alongside colleagues so you can discuss it together. We understand that it may not be possible to watch as a group, so please make notes to take back to your meetings with other colleagues for future discussion. There are pause and reflect opportunities throughout the units, where we encourage you to physically pause the video and record your thoughts or talk about what you think. Each unit takes into account examples from real-life practice. We want this to be applied in your day-to-day work. At the end of each unit, there is a simple takeaway activity, which we encourage you to discuss as a group with your colleagues and peers. It's important for consolidating the learning and applying it to your real-life context. We want you to engage critically with the training. Think about the ways in which it impacts you on your daily life practice, and have conversations with colleagues about your successes, challenges, and how you may approach them now that you have this improved understanding. If you are interested in deepening your understanding, we do have live training sessions available and resources at the end of the training for you to consider. Now on to the other units.